almost got it.
He was dancing.
I know birds. Well, hi.
He was dancing in full flume.
I seen him.
There
Hello.
you go.
Hello. Can you dance? Hi. Can you dance for me? Huh? Can you dance? You did it. You did it. Come on. You did it. Come on. Come on. Why are you shaking? Why are you shaking? Are you scared? Are you cold? Well, hi. Can you put up your feathers? Can you put up your feathers? Dance. Dance. Are you bored now? Are you bored now? Are you bored? Am I boring now?
You're going to bring a treat. There you go.
I need a treat. Find a treat. Is that a peanut on the ground or something? Behind you? I need a treat, don't I? Do I need a treat? Go get 25 cents. Go.
You can't feed these ones anyway.
But he's tame. He's actually tame.